Do you have to cleat in or clip in hard your bike shoes to your pedals? Why would you do it, and how do you get started? First, you don't have to. It's not an absolute. You can go and buy really good flat bike pedals and wear your normal hiking, biking, walking shoes, and that's fine. But I'll tell you why you want to do it and how to get started, and it's not as hard as what you think. So when I invite people to go bikepacking or bike touring with me, it's a big impediment, and they're very afraid of doing it, and I understand. However, the reason you want to do it is, yes, it gives you a little bit of extra power, it gives you a couple of extra watts, but that's not the reason. The reason you want to do it is it's going to keep your feet and your knees and your body in correct alignment with the bike. And when you're doing 50, 60, 100 miles a day, day after day, it really helps reduce repetitive injuries. How do you get started? It's not as hard as you think. Go to your favorite bike store, buy good mountain bike shoes with recessed cleats and the double-sided pedals that I talked about in other videos where you can clip into either side, and then go to the gym. You can usually find a watt bike or some type of cycle where you can clip in. Again, I strongly recommend mountain bike type recessed cleats so you can walk around easily. They're easy to get used to, and you can practice clipping in and clipping out. Here's a demonstration of why I love mountain bike simple recessed cleats for any type of bike packing. If you're in a busy city, you need to clip in and out quickly, and with these pedals you can clip in on either side of them very quickly when you're doing a lot of starting and stopping. Second thing I recommend is always, when you're beginning, clip out with the same side so that your body gets used to it, and in a moment of panic it knows how to react. So I always clip out with my left side first. I'll try and demonstrate. With these type of pedals, you can even use sandals or flip-flops if you're just going a short distance at the end of the day. Safe travels.